Finish, go lay down. Go lay down. Go lay down. I have my dog walking around while I'm trying to record. You hear him? Phoenix, go lay down. So you ain't never, ever, ever. Go lay down. Sorry. So you ain't. You should come rolling my shit. Welcome to Just My Thoughts Thursday. My name is Vladimir Riché from ChaseandRattle.com. In this episode, we're gonna cover tie bars. Do you need one? I don't know. Alright, 2 minutes on the clock, Peter McKinnon style. So people ask me how come I don't wear tie bars. Man, you ain't never catch me wearing no tie bars, B. I don't do tie bars. I've never done tie bars. Will never do tie bars. Tie bars are for the birds, man. I ain't never worn a tie bar in my life. On my mama. Never, ever, ever want a tie bar. I'm lying my ass off, bro. Yo, I used to be a tie bar fanatic, man. Yo, I wore a tie bar with everything. You hear me? I even wore a tie bar with a bow tie one time. Well, I'm lying, I made that up, but don't put it past me. That's how often you used to see me with a tie bar, you know what I mean? I used to wear skinny ties back in the days. Don't blame me, man. That's what was in, at least according to the magazines that I was reading, you know what I mean? Anyway, that's a different Just My Thoughts Thursday that we'll get to some other time. So all my ties were like 2 1/4 inches. I knew that I didn't want my tie and my tie bars to be the same length. So I was reading GQ one time and he was talking about this tie bar that was 1/4 inch. I was like, I'm in. That was perfect, man. You couldn't have it any better. It was a tie bar from Tom Brown. It came in sterling silver. And I started reading and he said the tie bar was $150. I was like, damn, how am I gonna explain to my fiance? She might have just been my girlfriend back then. Now she's my wife. But how am I gonna explain to her I'm spending $150 on something that's 1/4 inch sterling silver? Anyway, we had separate accounts. So I ordered the tie bar. I'm gonna blow right past these 2 minutes, aren't I? Anyway, like I said, Peter McKinnon style. We're just gonna blow right through these 2 minutes. Right? So I got the tie bar and I would wear it with everything. Everything, bro. Like even when I got married, I got all of my groomsmen tie bars. Well, not the $150 tie bar. I got them something from this company called the tiebar.com. It probably was like $10 each or something crazy like that. But they were the little ones, you know what I'm saying? Because back then, I was pushing for everybody to wear skinny ties like me, you know? Anyway, my thoughts on tie bars. I hate tie bars. I think they're unnecessary. I don't know when the whole tie bar trend started. I want to say it was when Mad Men came out. But whoever started that, I'm going to tell them, take a long walk on a short bridge. You really don't need a tie bar. If your tie is going to move around a little bit, let your tie move around, man. It's just menswear. It's really not that serious, man. And you have dudes wearing the tie bars all the way up here. Come on, bro. You don't need a tie bar, man. Tie bars are for the birds. So that's how I feel about tie bars. I mean, don't hate me. I know it's probably controversial. You probably love your tie bars. If you love your tie bar, keep rocking your tie bars. But me personally, this is Just My Thoughts Thursday. I hate tie bars. Used to love tie bars, now I hate tie bars and I couldn't recommend them less. You don't need a tie bar, man. It's just something to make you spend some extra money. You know what I'm saying? Your tie is gonna move around. Let your tie move around. You know what I'm saying? You don't need a tie bar. This was Just My Thoughts Thursday. We do this each and every week. My name is Vladimir Riché from ChaseandRattle.com and I'll see you guys next week with a fresh tutorial on Tuesday. Peace. Smoothie is delicious, man.